Did you know that the guava tree holds a secret weapon for better health? This unassuming tree, often found in tropical and subtropical regions, is a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties. While many people are familiar with the sweet and tangy guava fruit, the tree has much more to offer. It's not just the delicious fruit that's good for you. The guava fruit is rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and essential minerals. But there's another part of the tree that deserves just as much attention. Guava leaves, often overlooked, are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. These leaves contain compounds like quercetin and lycopene, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They can be used to make teas, extracts, and even topical treatments. These leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Ancient cultures in Asia and Latin America have long relied on guava leaves to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. The leaves are often brewed into a tea that can help soothe stomach aches and improve digestion. Today, modern science is catching up and discovering the amazing benefits of guava leaves. Researchers are finding that these leaves can help lower blood sugar levels, improve heart health, and even support weight loss. The scientific community is excited about the potential of guava leaves to contribute to overall wellness and health. Guava leaves come from the tropical guava tree, known for its sweet fruit. These leaves are oval-shaped and have a slightly bitter taste. But don't let that deter you. Guava leaves are rich in beneficial compounds like flavonoids and tannins. These compounds give guava leaves their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that guava leaves can provide a wide range of health benefits. These benefits are not just limited to traditional uses, but are also backed by modern scientific studies. The leaves of the guava plant, often overlooked in favor of the fruit, are packed with potent compounds that can positively impact our health in numerous ways. One of the most promising benefits is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for individuals who are managing diabetes or are at risk of developing the condition. Guava leaves contain compounds that can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it easier to maintain a healthy balance. Studies have shown that guava leaf extract may improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity is crucial for the body's ability to use glucose effectively. When the body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it can better manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes and crashes that can be harmful over time. This makes it a potential natural remedy for managing type 2 diabetes. Unlike synthetic medications, guava leaves offer a more holistic approach, potentially reducing the need for pharmaceutical interventions. This natural remedy can be a valuable addition to a comprehensive diabetes management plan. Another remarkable benefit is their potential to aid in weight loss. Weight management is a common concern for many, and guava leaves can play a supportive role in this journey. By incorporating guava leaves into your diet, you may find it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Guava leaf extract may help block the absorption of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a major source of calories, and by reducing their absorption, guava leaves can help control calorie intake. This can be particularly beneficial for those who are looking to reduce their overall caloric intake without feeling deprived. This can be beneficial for those trying to shed extra pounds. The journey to weight loss can be challenging, but natural aids like guava leaves can make the process more manageable. By supporting your body's natural processes, guava leaves can help you achieve your weight loss goals more effectively. Additionally, guava leaves have shown promise in reducing cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a common health issue that can lead to serious conditions if left unmanaged. Guava leaves contain compounds that can help lower bad cholesterol levels, promoting better heart health. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and managing cholesterol levels is a key component of heart health. By incorporating guava leaves into your routine, you can take proactive steps to protect your heart. By incorporating guava leaves into your routine, you may support your heart health. Whether you add them to your meals, brew them into a tea, or take them as a supplement, guava leaves offer a natural way to enhance your overall well-being. Embrace the power of nature and discover the benefits of guava leaves for yourself. Bringing guava leaves into your life. There are several ways to incorporate the power of guava leaves into your daily life. These leaves, often overlooked, are packed with beneficial compounds that can enhance your well-being in numerous ways. One popular method is brewing guava leaf tea. This traditional beverage has been enjoyed for centuries in various cultures for its health benefits and soothing properties. Simply steep a few dried guava leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The process is simple and can easily be incorporated into your morning or evening routine. You can enjoy this earthy and slightly bitter tea, hot or cold. Whether you prefer a warm cup to start your day or a refreshing iced tea in the afternoon, guava leaf tea can be a versatile addition to your diet. Some people add honey or lemon for sweetness. These natural sweeteners not only enhance the flavor, but also add their own health benefits, making your tea even more nutritious. Another option is to take guava leaf supplements. These supplements are a convenient way to ensure you're getting a concentrated dose of the beneficial compounds found in guava leaves. These are available in capsule or extract form. Capsules are easy to take with your daily vitamins, while extracts can be added to water or smoothies for a quick health boost. Supplements offer a convenient way to get a concentrated dose of guava leaf nutrients. They are especially useful for those who may not have the time to brew tea or prefer a more straightforward approach to their health regimen. However, it's always best to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the right dosage and ensure that guava leaf supplements are safe for you, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Beyond consumption, guava leaves can also be used in skincare. They are known for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making them an excellent ingredient for homemade face masks and skin treatments. To make a guava leaf face mask, simply grind fresh guava leaves into a paste and apply it to your skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This can help reduce acne, tighten pores, and give your skin a healthy glow. Additionally, guava leaves can be used as a hair rinse. Boil a handful of leaves in water, let it cool, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing. This can help reduce dandruff, promote hair growth, and leave your hair looking shiny and healthy. For a relaxing experience, you can also add guava leaves to your bath. The soothing properties of the leaves can help relieve stress and muscle tension, providing a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. Incorporating guava leaves into your life can be a rewarding experience. Whether you choose to drink the tea, take supplements, or use them in your skincare and hair care routines, these leaves offer a natural way to enhance your health and well-being. Start exploring the benefits of guava leaves today and discover how they can become a valuable part of your daily routine. A word of caution. While guava leaves offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to use them cautiously. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid guava leaves as their effects during these periods are not fully understood. Additionally, people with certain medical conditions or those taking medications should consult their doctor before using guava leaves. Nature's bounty at your fingertips. Guava leaves are a testament to nature's incredible healing power. From managing blood sugar to supporting heart health, these humble leaves offer a wealth of benefits. While more research is needed to fully understand their potential, the evidence so far is promising. Share the goodness. If you found this information about guava leaves helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of natural remedies. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health.